Ever wondered how money moves around the world? Or how you could potentially profit from those movements? Well, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Forex trading. So, what exactly is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is simply the act of buying and selling different currencies to make a profit. It all happens in the global foreign exchange market, which is, believe it or not, the largest and most active financial market on the planet. Trillions of dollars are traded every single day. Here's how it works. In the Forex market, currencies are always traded in pairs. You might see something like your USD GBP/JPY or USD JPY. The first currency in the pair is called the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. The price you see tells you how much of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. When you trade Forex, you're essentially making a prediction. You're speculating on whether the base currency will get stronger or weaker compared to the quote currency. For instance, if you think the euro is going to strengthen against the US dollar, you would buy the euro-USD pair. If the price goes up as you predicted, you can sell it back at that higher price and pocket the difference as profit. Of course, if the price moves against you, you could end up with a loss. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that make Forex trading so unique. First up, it's a 24-hour market. From Monday morning in Sydney to Friday afternoon in New York, the market is always open somewhere in the world. This gives you incredible flexibility to trade whenever it suits you. Next is high liquidity. Because so much money is being traded all the time, it's generally very easy to enter and exit your trades without a hitch. You're not likely to get stuck in a position. Then there's leverage. This is a big one. Brokers often offer leverage, which allows you to control a large position with a relatively small amount of your own money. For example, with 100-to-1 leverage, you could control a $100,000 position with just $1,000 of capital. While this can amplify your profits, it's a double-edged sword and can just as easily amplify your losses. So it's a tool that must be used with extreme caution. And finally, low transaction costs. Compared to other financial markets like stocks, the cost to trade Forex, known as the spread, are typically very low, which is great for active traders. So what makes these currency prices move up and down? A whole bunch of factors. Economic data like GDP or employment numbers, interest rate decisions from central banks, inflation rates, and even political stability can all have a huge impact. Major news releases can cause prices to move very quickly, creating both opportunities and risks. This brings us to the risks and benefits. The potential for profit in Forex is definitely there, but so is the risk of significant loss, especially because of the market's volatility and the use of leverage. Successful traders don't just guess. They use well-defined strategies, strict risk management techniques like setting stop losses, and are constantly analyzing the market to stay ahead. To wrap it all up, Forex trading is the dynamic process of exchanging currencies with the goal of profiting from price fluctuations. It's a fundamental part of the global economy and offers exciting opportunities for traders. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires knowledge, discipline, and a solid approach to managing risk. If you're new, it's crucial to educate yourself thoroughly before diving in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. See you in the next one.